Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Trader. So today is 23rd November and now the time is 11:10. And coming to the questions, I have not taken any trade. I am finding out a trade setup over here in ICICI Bank 3 minutes chart. Okay, as soon as I get into an position, I'll be letting know you. Now, as of now, I am on a buy side in ICICI Bank at a certain level. But if the setup permits me, I'll be entering. Otherwise, I'll be looking for another stock. Okay, so I'll update as soon as I enter the trade. Okay, so I've entered into a trade 200 quantity at 471.95. Now let's set our target and stop loss. First, I'll keep my stop loss. Hmm. My stop loss is 468.11. So let me arrange that first. Okay, so I have placed my stop loss and now I'll have to keep my target. Okay, so my target is 476.44. Okay, so we have a stop loss and target in place, and currently we are in coast to coast, and let's see whether our stop loss or target will be achieved first. So I'll update. So currently we are in 50 rupees to 80 rupees. So calculating the risk reward ratio, my risk will be 710 rupees for this trade. So currently we are in cost to cost, and my risk for the trade is 710 rupees, and my risk reward ratio is 1.02. So if I'll achieve my target, I'll be obtaining 710 to 720 rupees. So currently we are cost. Okay, it has moved down. Now we are in loss of minus 130. So from here the market has moved down, and currently our position is in a loss of 100 rupees. Our stop loss is placed at 468.40 and now it is 471.35. So currently we are in a loss of 110 rupees. So I'll update you. Again we have reached back coast to coast. So when I am drawing a fibro from the top to bottom, this is the point 0.23 retracement. So once it has broken that, it has moved about that, and now if this can be taken as a support and move up, we'll be easily achieving our target, or we can expect a retracement up to this level and a move back to achieve our target. But if this also breaches, then we'll have to be cautious. So currently we are in a loss of 100 rupees. Currently we are in a loss of 120 rupees. So it's reaching its support point. Let's see what happens over here. Currently we are in a loss of 120 rupees. So we do get a break down over here, and currently we are in a loss of 220 rupees. So we are seeing a downside move, and our loss has increased to 300 rupees. Currently we are in a loss of 304.30 rupees. Market is in a strong downside. 330 rupees loss. I'll update you further. Again, it has taken the 0.23 as support. So we are still in a loss of 160 rupees. So currently we are in a loss of 330 rupees. Market is acting as support over here. It has retraced at its 23, so all are against us. So we are seeing big red candles, and our loss is increasing to 370 rupees. We are having a huge red candle, and our loss has increased to 420 rupees. Okay, again we have reached back coast to coast. It had a retracement over here first time, second time, third time, and now it has to break. If it again retraces from here, there are increased chance of market going down. If it breaks this level of T23.6, then a big hurdle is. So let's see how the market reacts over here. Currently we have come back coast to coast. Let's see. Market has again shown rejection from this point, and our position is minus 30. Market is showing continuous rejection at this level, which is creating an issue for us. So we'll have to wait. And finally, the market has breached this level, but there isn't sufficient volume over here. Currently, we are in a profit, but let's see how the market reacts over here. From here, if we draw a trend line, it is acting as a last case over here. So this also should be breached, otherwise it's just a retracement and it may move down strong. So let's see how the market reacts. The Nifty 50, Nifty Bank has followed its 50% retracement, so the trend is down. So it's still in a confusion zone for us. Look, the market is showing rejections over here. So today it is in a really confusing mode as of now. So currently 20 rupees profit. I'll update. Currently we are in profit of 180 rupees. But the concern is this 0.50 retracement zone. Long wicks have been formed over here, which which shows that there is rejections from the top and sellers are there. So that's create a concern for us. It's still at its point. Okay, it has breached. So currently we are in a profit of 230 rupees. I am modifying by 2.6846.7. Here it was rejected from point 0.5 once and again it have reached this over here. So this acts as a double top. So this the way market reacts from here is critical for us in coming to a conclusion. Anyway, we have trailed our stop loss from initial to this, so we reduce our risk a bit. Currently we are in a profit of 240 300 rupees, but let's see. This high has not breached yet. The high over here is 29199. If it breaches, then won't there be any worry. Otherwise, there is still a concern for us. Our target is still 3 points more. So okay, let's wait friends. I'll update. Currently 420 rupees. But we do have continuous green candles, which is a concern for us. Currently 380 rupees profit. Again, the market has moved down. We have market has moved back coast to coast. Currently, we are in a loss. This is the main trend line. It has to break this to reach our target. Here we do see a breakdown with a last kiss. So let's see how market react here. So currently this is a position. Market has fallen down sharply and we are in a loss of 300 rupees. Market is too volatile for the day. It's tough to predict where the market will go today. It's too volatile. Even the Nifty is at its retracement zone. So here we do see a breakout. So I do expect a move up till here. If that will happen, our target will be achieved. So, but there are rejections, long wicks with rejections seen over here. So let's wait anyway. Currently, we are in a profit of 240. We are modifying our stop loss a bit to 469. Currently, 210 rupees profit. So again, we are trading our stop loss a bit to 469.5. Okay, so friends, our trailing stop loss has been hit over here, and from 469 I have traded my stop loss as I was increasing my profits, and my trading stop loss have actually, we had initially a risk of 800 rupees which have been reduced, and the trailing stop loss got it over here. Okay, so now actually the mistake for today's is my, this is the 26 point retracement, and this was the after my reason for today's entry is market was in a huge fall, and this was the first retracement over here. As soon as market went above this retracement, I had ended at this point. So ideally my stop loss will be this, and my target should be this. My first mistake for today is I have kept target at a more higher price. So if I had kept 1:1 and I have kept this as my target, I would have easily achieved that. But the mistake is, as I have attempted for an higher target, my trailing stop loss got it. But no problem, my setup was correct over here. Here I have entered above the 23.6 this retracement. That was reason number one. And on a 30 minutes chart, when we draw a Fibo retracement from the recent high, we do get retracement at first 61.8, 61.8 and 61.8. At this, after this retracement in a longer time frame and on a shorter time frame of 3 minutes, at a shorter time frame above this point was my entry. So the mistake for the day is setup was correct, but I had aimed for a higher target. It have reached its first target, but as soon as I was aiming for my second target, that didn't achieve. So here was my initial stop loss. I have trailed it up to here, and unfortunately that got it over here, but no problem, our money management was perfect. So out of the 3 days, initially first day we booked 500, second day we booked 1000, third day we booked 700, and now fourth day our trailing stop loss got it at 370 rupees. So this was the setup for the day, but the only mistake was, as I have aimed for higher target, my stop loss got 8. Okay, thank you.